A federal judge has ruled that President Donald Trump cannot use the Alien Enemies Act to deport Venezuelan gang members without a hearing. This decision, issued by U.S. District Judge James Boasberg, came after the Trump administration dispatched planes to remove individuals allegedly connected to the gang Tren de Aragua, which Trump claimed was involved in irregular warfare against the United States under the direction of Venezuela's Maduro regime. The judge's ruling followed a legal challenge from civil rights groups who argue that the administration has wrongly classified these immigrants as criminals, failing to allow them the opportunity to defend themselves in court. Judge Boasberg expressed concerns that these individuals could face serious harm if deported, potentially being sent to prisons where they could be subjected to persecution. Trump had signed a proclamation activating the Alien Enemies Act for the first time since World War II. This law allows the detention and removal of citizens from nations with which the U.S. is at war. A justification critics say is inappropriate given that the U.S. is currently not in a state of war. Legal advocates are alarmed at the rapidity with which the Trump administration sought to remove these individuals, suggesting that flights were already arranged to deport immigrants, particularly to El Salvador, which agreed to house them. Civil liberties organizations like the American Civil Liberties Union have emphasized that many of these individuals have fled violence and do not have ties to criminal organizations. The judge issued a temporary restraining order protecting 5 Venezuelan men from deportation and expanded this protection to all non-citizens who might be affected by the proclamation. Legal experts warn that this use of the Alien Enemies Act could undermine due process rights and set a dangerous precedent for how the administration handles immigration. Critics, including Democratic legislators, are pushing back against this move, asserting that invoking the act reflects a troubling attempt to bypass legal standards governing immigration. They stress that the United States is not facing an invasion and underscore the need to uphold established immigration laws. As this situation develops, the implications for both human rights and the administration's immigration policy remain significant amid the ongoing national discourse on immigration reform.